Shall I start, sir? Am I visible, sir? Is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yes. So, good morning to
One
one
minute,
and
sir.
all.
Are we good to go, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, good morning to one and all. I am Ashish Verma from Team Protagonist. So, today we are here to present our business plan. So, in our business plan, we are going to discuss about our mission, vision, and our startup business plan about the go kart fabrication and its painting accessories, and how we will going to be analyzing our market, the revenue streams and the business model, the development of the product and the manufacturing process, the marketing, sales, and strategies, the analysis of the market, how it behaves, and we'll be also looking into the advertisement and publicity of our startup, the environmental impact, the operations and logic plans, the team organization structure, and so on. So, continuing to it. So, our team protagonist has an experience in building go karts since ours. Like from 2 years, we have been developing our go karts in our college. Our seniors have a lot of experience, and even our faculty has an experience. So we think we are good at fabricating parts, and we can go into the business of fabricating parts for the go karts. So our mission is to uh, provide teams the fabricated parts of go karts with a
Uh,
higher international
Team, sorry
standards.
to interrupt.
So
Change the slides accordingly. Your screen or your screen is paused for us.
sorry, sir. Just give me a second, sir. So just a second, sir. Yeah, sir. Is the mission visible now, sir?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So our mission is mainly to manufacture the go-kart fabrication parts, and they also provide painting into it according to the to maintain higher standards and meet the requirements of the specified team. The vision of go-kart business is to satisfy the customers as to the higher extent and attracting both the casual racers and also the professional racers. We like to our vision also includes in a continuous engaging to the customers to fulfill their needs and establishing a strong base. So coming to the business plan of go-kart market. First, we want to identify the specific targets. Like we want to identify the persons who are interested and the teams who are interested, so that we can have some specific target to continue with our business plan. And we also want to analyze our competitors. So what we can do with our competitors, we can take help from them, like learning things from them and also improving things so that we can stand alone far away from our competitors. Coming to the business model and revenue streams, the transaction based revenue, subscription services, and licensing and royalties. We want to implement direct sales and transaction as primary revenue stream, and we also want to provide subscription services for like if we have any inconvenience with the respected team or the or our customers, we want to provide some service subscription services so that we can be engaged with them anytime and we can solve their issues. And we also want to give licensing and royalties. Like we want to patent ourselves for our this specific idea so that we have we will be standing alone in our business. Coming to the product development and manufacturing process, the material selection will be mainly based on the primarily the customers, and we will also be suggesting the customers choose specific materials so that they can be even with a little knowledge about the fabrication, we will be helping them so that they can attain what they want. And the prototype testing, we also wanted to like we will be taking the design from the customers, and we will be testing in them so that we can provide a accurate data of the design, so that if any faults in the design we can be helping them in rectifying them. This can ensure the safety and functionality of the fabrication. Coming to the marketing strategies, so first we want to proceed about digital marketing campaigns, partnership and collaboration, and trade showing participation. Coming to the digital marketing campaigns, we'll be campaigning across the social media in order to reach more persons, and we can also use the part of various platforms where we can interact with fellow racers or fellow teammates, so that more number of people can will be knowing about our business. Coming to the collaborations, we are thinking of collaborating with various event organizers so that our business they can help in our business in fabrication, so they can recommend us for the teams for the fabrication. And here onwards, I would like to give over to my friend Mukesh.
So from here, we are discussing about market survey analysis from here, sir. In this, the 35% market share is all about interested in a competitive go-kart racing, sir. And 45% of market share is spending 2 hours to 4 hours at go-kart center, sir. And majority of 42% attending informative sessions on the making of an electrical go-kart. And the way compared to the normal go-karts, the electrical go-karts are way 42% ahead, sir. And 40, we need around 46% renting go-karts, sir. And with the familiar model compared to the EVs, we have a share of the 24%, sir. 24%, sir. And bro, can you
Yeah.
advertising and publicity, sir. In the main advantage from the advertisement is we can have the large amount of business and everything, sir. The main advantage is we have social medias and everything, sir. Online publicity, we can use the LinkedIn and we can create a profile so that it can be reached to everyone and way more than the mouth talk, sir. And we can also use TV channels and approaching online or selling content YouTubers and everyone, sir. YouTube channels also we can approach, sir, and they will give us your business, sir. So we can advertise through the online, sir. And in the same way, we can also use offline services, sir, by offering internships to young ones, sir. So we are just giving internships so that they can have knowledge regarding the go-karts and we can keep their startups in the future, sir. It will help them to have a knowledge in the go-kart sector, sir. And we will also conduct industrial visits, sir, so that they will also have the knowledge and we can also have the business, sir, so that they will have some interest in the go-kart sector, sir. So they will try to make some business, sir. And billboards advertisements, sir, by having billboards by advertising and on the roads, we will keep some billboards, sir. And in the next in the next slide, environmental impacts, sir. Pollution reduction, sir. We use some fuel types to reduce the environmental pollution, sir. So that the after the production of vehicles, the generation of electricity, we use fuel, sir, but we use the engine we use engine to get the more mileage and we use less consumption of fuel, sir, and zero carbon emissions, sir. By taking the latest norms and we are using the zero carbon emissions so that the carbon percentage will be reduced, sir. Carbon emission will be get reduced, sir. And in the future we may also develop the hydrogen vehicles, sir, so that the emission will get reduced and it will be environmental friendly, sir. Yes, bro. Operational logistic plans. Yeah, in operational logistic plans, we'll try to give more go-karts to others, and we'll have the large number of suppliers, sir. Developing a robust supply chain, and we are supplying them in a row, sir. We are developing chain networks to ensure consistent acquire access to raw materials and timely delivery of finished products. Implementing efficient warehouse, we will use a good and technology so that we can have a finished products earlier and we can organize them in an order in a warehouse so that we can complete them in order in time and we can do the business and optimize logistics. Yeah. Then comes to financial projections and funding requirements. It consumes around 10 lakhs project. We can get around 10 lakhs for annual revenue from this go-karts. But the initial capital amount is 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. So we will have a revenue of around 10 lakhs per year by implementing the go-kart sectors. But the initial cost may took around 8 lakhs. Around 8 lakhs. And team and organization structures. Yeah, our team is organized as product development, design engineers, marketers, business development, and marketing sales. Marketing and sales comes to the advertisements and everything, sir. Business development means they will have a quick idea about the latest updates and latest ideas, and they will go through them. And operations, any kind of new ideas and new technologies, they will look at the operations. And the design engineers, they will look around the new models and the new ideas. And quality control specialist, we'll have a very we need quality and control in the specialist so that we can avoid any accidents and any bad incidents in the go-kart sectors. Next page. Competitive analysis. We will have a huge amount of competitive competitions from other go-kart sectors also, so that we should have a unique go-kart so that everyone should have a look at ours. So we can avoid others from the marketing, and we can capture the other marketing strategy, other markets, and we can have the more business and we can have the more revenue. So that we should implement new ideas and new technologies and ensure the utmost safety to the go-kart riders and everyone. Next, please. Conclusion. Market in the market launch, we should ensure all the amenities so that they will have the safety and utmost importance, and first we should do marketing regarding our opening, and we should advertise at utmost level, and we should get an idea about our go-kart and sales strategies, regularity compliance, so that we should always have a look at our go-karts, and we should always check our amenities and safety about of go-karts, and we should maintain our go-karts very high, very serviced. Okay, sir. Next.
Yes, sir, that's it. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you,
Okay, team. And is your industry established?
No, sir,
sir,
not
not
yet,
yet.
sir. We
When are
are
you planning to?
planning for this as a startup idea, sir.
Or when are you going to start this?
So we are